Perched above the shimmering waters of Lake Como in northern Italy, this 183 square meter home by Tuckey Design Studio sits quietly within one of Europe's most iconic landscapes. From a distance, the villa appears calm and understated, blending into the rolling hills of Lombardy. But the story of this house actually begins with a very different condition, a deteriorating concrete shell left on a remarkable site. Rather than demolish it, the architects chose to reinterpret and transform the structure, turning it into a serene two-bedroom residence designed to frame the surrounding panorama. The redesign focused on reorganizing the interior to create a more fluid spatial experience. Instead of a fragmented layout, the home now unfolds through a generous open-plan arrangement that allows spaces to flow naturally into one another. The plan is divided into two primary wings, one dedicated to the main living spaces facing the lake, and the other containing the bedrooms and service areas. Connecting these two parts is a dramatic glazed corridor that acts as both a circulation path and a visual pause between zones of the home. One of the most distinctive design gestures is the way the architects treated the existing concrete structure. Instead of hiding it, the rough concrete soffit was intentionally left visible, its textured surface contrasting with the smooth marble columns that support it. This juxtaposition between raw and refined materials adds depth to the interiors, allowing the building's past structure to remain part of the architectural narrative. Inside the lake-facing wing, the kitchen, dining, and living areas share a single open volume designed to capture the expansive views beyond the terrace. Full-height openings frame the landscape, allowing natural light to pour deep into the interior throughout the day. The architecture here feels intentionally calm and cinematic, where the shifting light, reflections from the water, and the surrounding hills become part of the living experience. The space is less about decoration and more about how the architecture guides attention outward toward the scenery. Material selection plays a central role in establishing that relationship with the landscape. Green-stained oak paneling wraps through the kitchen, living spaces, and thresholds, subtly referencing the color of the surrounding hills. This warm timber palette softens the structure and creates continuity between rooms. At the same time, a polished concrete floor embedded with marble aggregate reflects light, much like the lake outside, visually extending the exterior environment into the home. moving toward the private areas becomes a spatial journey of its own. The glazed corridor linking the two wings passes between newly landscaped courtyards, introducing moments of greenery and filtered light along the way. These small gardens create a quiet transition from the open social spaces to the more intimate areas of the home. At the end of the corridor, the path culminates in a cylindrical niche, an architectural pivot point that leads toward the bedrooms and utility spaces. Within the bedrooms, the atmosphere becomes noticeably calmer and more intimate. Oak flooring and custom timber cladding continue the material language established in the living areas, but here it feels softer and more enclosed. Clear-story openings bring natural light into the bedrooms and bathrooms while maintaining privacy, creating spaces that feel connected to daylight without exposing them directly to the outside world. Finally, the landscape design completes the transformation of the property. Courtyard gardens and carefully placed greenery help anchor the villa into its hillside setting, offering quiet outdoor pockets that frame views of Lombardy's rolling terrain. After years of uncertainty as an unfinished structure, the house now feels grounded in its environment, an architecture shaped as much by the surrounding landscape as by the materials and spaces within it.